anniversary po!
Dyan sa Dubai, our friends, si Juliet, Sika, and of course, boys. Kita-kita tayo dyan.
Happy 2nd anniversary! Super Heart Fanatics 2.0! Congrats and smash Sumbasti! Ahu Ahu!
Happy 2nd anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics. 2 years of energy, dedication, and teamwork. Keep pushing, keep smiling, and remember, every step, every move brings us closer to our best selves. Let's dance stronger and shine brighter together from
Happy 2nd anniversary, Super Heart Fanatics! More power and happiness!
Happy anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics. This is your Kuya Senior Ed. Congrats sa inyong grupo and wish you all the best. Stay strong as a group, and importante sa isang grupo yung trust, commitment, discipline, love, and most especially yung loyalty. So pag may problema tayo, kailangan upuan agad at pag-usapan. Fly high, Zumba Heart Fanatics, and congratulations again.
Hi everyone, EJ here. Happy 2nd anniversary Zumba Heart Fanatics 2.0. God bless you all and keep on dancing.
Happy 2nd year anniversary Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Mabuhay kayo and see you soon on the dance floor. Come on.
Happy anniversary Zumba Heart Fanatics! Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. 2 years na pala yun. And I'm so happy and grateful to be part of your community. Maraming salamat for inviting me here. And alam nyo na yun kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin. I just want you to always be happy, support each other, and keep showing up for each other. Okay? Keep shining and keep on dancing with a heart. Happy anniversary!
Hello, Zumba Heart Fanatics team! First of all, sorry sa background. Baharang maingay yung washing machine natin. Pero, yun nga, gusto ko kayong batiin ng happy anniversary. Ayan. So, masaya ako para sa group nyo na lagi kayo nag-celebrate ng anniversary, and I believe last year nakagawa rin ako ng video how time flies so fast. So, very congratulations sa inyong lahat. Very intact pa din ang group. And, masayang-masaya ako para sa inyo. So, gusto ko rin i-take tong opportunity na to na magpasalamat sa team nyo for always supporting and participating in the events of Daiho. And kahit anong aya ko sa inyo, talaga namang on the go kayo hanggat maaari kung available. And if not, it's alright. Understandable po yan. And ayun, nakakabilib yung mga videos nyo, nakaka-inspire. Kaya yung iba din ginagalingan na rin nila ng mga editing ngayon. So, again, wish ko more power sa team ninyo. Sana i-continue nyo lang yan ang advocacy nyo sa team nyo. And hopefully, ayan, ilang greetings pa every year ang gagawin ko para sa inyo. So again, maraming salamat. At sana mag-enjoy po kayo lahat today. Thank you guys!
Zumba Heart Fanatics, happy 2nd year anniversary po sa inyong lahat. God bless po, more power, keep on dancing, and hopefully one of these days or in the future, makasaya ko kayo. Happy 2nd year anniversary.
Happy 2nd anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics!
Hello po sa lahat po na bumubuo ng Zumba Heart Fanatics sa Dubai. Si Elijah Canlas po to. Gusto ko lang po mag-hi. At sana nag-iingat po kayo dyan. Nag-enjoy po kayo lagi. And syempre special shoutout po kay Tita Jen. Hi Tita. And sa buong family niyo po. Sana po nag-iingat kayo lagi. And I hope you guys are always happy. Hope to see you soon.
Zumba
version 2.0. Hey! Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, CHF. Get out! Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, CHF Maribel! Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Meow! Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, CHF version 2.0. Happy second anniversary, Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0.